Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka number 36. Arjuna said, "It is but apt, O Rishikesha, Krishna, that the world delights and rejoices in thy praise. Rakshasas fly in fear to all quarters, and hosts of siddhas bow to thee."
Chapter 11, Shloka 36. Arjuna uvacha sthane hrishikesha tava prakirtya jagat prakrishyati anurajyate cha rakshamsi bhitani disho dhravanti sarve namasyanti cha siddha sangaha.
Chapter 11th, Shloka 36. Arjuna exclaims the universal form. The scene focus is back on Arjuna, who is addressing the Lord with hands folded, trembling with fear, singing songs of praise with fear and wonderment. Arjuna was till now only recognizing the cosmic form. Now he is beginning to diviner truth behind the total form. When one watches his own reflection, our attention is totally on our image and we rarely see the mirror surface. When one watches the surface of the mirror, one rarely sees his own image or only a hazy image. So long, when Arjuna was preoccupied with the universal form, he hardly paid attention to the infinite, which is the substratum supporting the total form. Arjuna has started seeing the deeper meaning that lies behind the cosmic wonder which was represented to him in vision divine. In the following 11 stanzas, we have Arjuna's prayer to the Lord, which is most beautiful. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.